Grab project, gravity assisted pulse motor update. We're making progress. We got to reposition the cam and contact switch. We have to hook up the springs. We have to install a bicycle sprocket from the enormous magnet lever arm and electromagnet configuration down to where the weights are, so that as the weights swing back and forth, it'll be able to transmit the pulse from the lever arm. Anybody experimenting with large magnets, exercise extreme caution. This is approximately a 3x3, and the force on that thing is pretty good. Let's see if we can get it back up there. So it's a real bone crusher. But the sprocket will go from this axle to this axle, bicycle chain. Will transmit the power. Like I said, we have to hook up the springs, and then we'll be able to do some testing. I made a change in the frame configuration. I have approximately a 1 to 3 to maximize the mechanical advantage. Keeps the weights at 10 pounds, but we lose travel. So, and we added three garage springs to the other end. So we're gonna have to adjust the weights. I'm not sure if it's the lack of the spring on this crankshaft being connected that's making it perform different, but it's obviously not performing the same as the original prototype. But might have to adjust weights or the springs. It seemed like when the spring was attached on the crankshaft and this weight was extended up, the whole lever arm would, vault up in the air, and that would give us a maximum travel. But we'll post updates when available. This is, I guess an example of, the Milky-Vic without the springs attached to the weights. Yeah, I like the performance of the first prototype with the springs on the crankshaft better. I was getting a lot of real travel. It was a real smooth operation. Wasn't herky-jerky or what a word. Anyways, we'll post updates when available, and if we have unsatisfactory results, we'll refabricate the frame and put the pivot point at the middle of the balance beam. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. More to come. Have a good one. Cheers.
The opposition in Venezuela. The United States sees your courage in action. We see proudly reclaiming the freedom and democracy that is rightfully yours. We admire you. We stand with you. President